What's up, friends? Welcome to my Sunday vlogs where what do I do? I don't remember what I do. Let's try that again. What's up, friends? Welcome to my Sunday vlogs where I show you the behind the scenes of what it's like to run a business as an influencer. In today's video, I am taking you behind the scenes of what it's like to plan out my YouTube content. I plan out my YouTube content really far in advance because I book partnerships really far in advance. I have a brand collaborations manager that manages all of my partnerships for YouTube, and they book me up like that. So today it's March 7th and we're going to be planning out content for May and June. Yeah, I know. I already have all of my content planned out for March and April, so I'll show you that, and then we're gonna plan out May and June together in my office. So let's walk over to the office. I don't know if you can see how smoky it is in here. Can you tell how smoky it is? We've had this candle lit all day and it is smoky. So welcome to my office where the magic happens. Oh, and there's Lady. Hey, Ladybug. Welcome to my office where the magic happens. It is kind of a mess right now. Come on in, Lady. Okay, as you can see, here is where I have March and April's content planned out. Here is where my dog is itching her ear and licking it. Okay, so we're gonna clean this mess up, but I wanted to show you what I had so far, and then we're gonna plan out May and June up on the wall. And over on this wall is a different project. Let's put the camera down so that we could get this going. Okay, first things first, I need to know which brands have already secured spots for May and June so that I can assign them to their proper weeks and then see how much room we have left for collaborations. So I'm gonna go to content creation. My brand collaboration manager and I, we use ClickUp to manage our collaborations. He organizes the stage each collaboration is at. We have the negotiation stage, content creation stage, content live, invoice sent, and influencer paid. Those are the stages that we use. I'm not doing a screen recording here because it shows like contracts, NDAs, campaign briefs, pricing agreements, basically everything that I said I wouldn't show publicly. So you're not getting a full-on screen recording because there's some content that I just can't show you, but you'll get this view. So we need to go to content live. I'm going to content live because there's some brands that are reoccurring. So we have Spreadshop. I believe they're already set for April. Yes, they're already booked for April. CapCut is the app that I use to edit all of my TikTok videos, all of my Instagram reels, basically any video where I have to edit it on my phone, I use CapCut. I love that app. So happy to be partnered with them. We have I think 12-month partnership, 10-month partnership. I'm probably wrong. All the way through July. Up to July is our partnership. So I need to make sure for May and June, they have spots secured. So we need 3 spots secured for CapCut. Perfect. Now let's do content creation. Zyro needs one for May. Social Book. Social Book is the one that's the long-term collaboration. I think CapCut was only 6 months. Social Book is 10 to 12 months. I love influencer marketing platforms, so I talk about influencer marketing all the time. Literally, that's my brand. And I use third-party networking platforms to get brand collaborations a lot. So it's really cool to be partnered with one of those third-party platforms. So that's why I wanted to bring them on board, or why I agreed to partner with them, because literally we have the same values as brands. And that's something that's most important to me, is partnering with brands where we have the same vision, the same mission, the same values. If it's also helpful to my audience, also fantastic. That's what I want. I want partnerships where it's going to be helpful to my audience, but also it has that fine balance of helpful for my audience, but also we have the same brand values, and that's so important. So Social Book will need 1 for each month. Spreadshop, that's March. Epidemic Sound is March. Oh, beginning of April. Cool. We already have that planned out. Jelly Smack. Ayo, Jelly Smack will be May, June, July. So let's put Jelly Smack May, June. Metrocool is April, May. They end in May. In negotiation, AppSumo and Millie integration for May. Oof, we might be booked up for May. Let's see. AppSumo probably won't happen until June, to be honest. But Millie, May. Okay, just gonna go back on my collab manager's conversation so I can make sure I'm understanding everything. Okay, so for May, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sponsorships. In June, right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sponsorships. potentially AppSumo. Okay, now let's see in calendar view how many spots are available. How many weeks does May have? AppSumo might be May 1st. So I post twice a week on my channel, so that means May has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots available. AppSumo could be May or June. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for sure, 9 maybe, so May might be fully booked up. And then June will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 currently. How many weeks are in June? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 posts. So we have 5 or 6 full out of 9. May is full. Let's map it out. All right, for planning out content, I'm gonna use sticky notes. I like to do sticky notes because I'm very hands-on and it just helps me see and envision things a little bit better. I am going to create a little calendar on the wall behind me, so let's do that. I had to rearrange them because I prefer to see it like Sunday, Wednesday, Sunday, Wednesday, because my Sunday videos, they're the behind the scenes videos like this, and then the Wednesday videos are more educational, so it helps me plan out my content better when I see it visually that way. I'm gonna go get more Post-its. So right now we have May and June. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write down each collaboration for May, each collaboration for June, and set it aside. Now that I have all of the integrations written down, I don't know if you saw, but for CapCut, I wrote 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and then dedicated. Every month that I'm planning out my collaborations for YouTube, I make sure there is not more than 1 dedicated video a month. So a dedicated video is basically when I promise the brand, hey, this entire video will be about your product. That is all. I don't want more than 1 of those a month because I feel like it can take away from the videos I already have planned for all of you. So that's why I try to limit 1 dedicated video per month. The CapCut 1 of 2, that's saying those were integrations, basically where it's like, this video is sponsored by la la la. So those are integrations, and then we have a dedicated video, which I consider to be a little bit separate. 3 collaborations, but 2 different types of collaborations. Now we're gonna assign them to days. We're bringing in a 3rd color. Typically, I pick the topics first. So I don't assign the collaborations a date. First, I pick the topic of the video first. So I have some backup topics here that I was going to do for April, but didn't make it inside of the April one. So I'm thinking, I know for sure AppSumo is going to be on May 1st. Okay, stay. Fart. This is why I do it on the floor, you guys. So I believe AppSumo is May 1st, and I love AppSumo. You can get discounts for like any tool you need as a content creator, entrepreneur, influencer. It's basically like HoneyBook, but for entrepreneurs. So AppSumo is pretty cool. Well, in general, I know a lot of you were asking for like a ClickUp tutorial or my content calendar that I made in my TikTok vlog. Oh, you haven't seen my TikTok vlog yet. That's happening this upcoming Wednesday. Anywho, I have a cool content calendar that I know y'all are gonna go crazy about. So I'm thinking of making like a tutorial for how I plan out my content calendar tutorial using some of the apps that AppSumo has on their website and you could get discounts for. So I think that'll pair really nicely because it just makes sense. Like, it's something I'm already providing. I'm already teaching how to use ClickUp or how to plan your content calendar in Notion, how to use some sort of tool. So that's the one that I'm kind of thinking of right now. Now, other topics. This is a topic that I'm thinking about doing, but I don't know yet, so I'm just gonna set that aside. Ways to make money as an influencer. That could be a good one. And then pitching brand deals. That could be a good one. I'm typically picking the topics first, and then I'll assign a brand to that topic to make sure it kind of somewhat makes sense. Now for the month of May, these are all of our partnerships. We gotta assign them dates. We know Metricool, so many things, so many things. I feel like the CapCut dedicated will actually probably be, I like to space things out. So I'm pretty sure CapCut dedicated will probably be here, which means pitching brands might go here. And then this might be like a TikTok FX tutorial. or how to get sounds from TikTok so that you could use them on your reels. Don't know how I would title that yet, but those are the two topics I'm thinking for the dedicated video. Okay, I think social book, that's like literally third-party platform for influencers to make brand deals. So I think that would make the most sense for this topic. Okay, to simply save time for the vlog, I'm just going to hang up tentatively where collaborations could go so that I could see it all filled out. And then I could tell my brand collaborations manager like, hey, we might have this date available in June or this date available in May. I think May is all booked up, so I'm just gonna throw those up on the board. And then with June, just gonna throw those up, see how many dates we have available. Something else that I'm trying to be aware of as I schedule each brand for a date is I try to make sure the brands that I'm partnering with long-term, like month to month. So CapCut, Social Book, all the things. I try to make sure those brands get a combination of both Sunday and Wednesday videos. So like here, Social Book got a Wednesday video, so I'm making sure in June they're getting a Sunday video. Those are typically like two different audience types because some it's just they just wanna know the tutorials. Wednesdays, they're practical, doing the stuff, and then Sundays are people like you who you're like, I wanna see the behind the scenes stuff. So I'm making sure they're getting exposure to two different audience types. Okay. So we figured out that May, there's some confusion here. Oh, actually, the confusion is May, the dates. We figured it out, ladies and gents. Well, bam, mystery solved. AppSumo's May 1st. We could do Jelly Smack here-ish, depending on the topic. Cool. May, completely booked up. June, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 days left. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be here all day, literally. Welcome back to my laptop. We are now going to send an email to my brand collaboration manager for May and June YouTube partnerships. And what I'm telling him are the tentative dates for each brand so he could give them an update and what spots are open. I will say a disclaimer of like all these dates are tentative because I don't have video topics set yet. So depending on the topic, I want to make sure the brand will make sense within the topic somewhat. So let's write up that email. May and June. CapCut, dedicated, May, booked. Perfect. The next step for me would be to pick topics. When I pick topics, I have a board on ClickUp that shows extra topic ideas that I kind of come up with throughout the day. I kind of throw my ideas there. So I have this here, and I also have a brainstorming, which has a bunch of channel ideas or video ideas here. There we go. So these are a bunch of channel ideas, video ideas, why do I keep saying channel? And then something else that I do is I'll go to my YouTube channel and I'll just go through recent video comments and see what people are actually asking for. Oh, can you do a video on this? Can you do a video on this? And typically when those questions come up often, I'll just make a video on that topic, making sure I'm providing value to the people who are actually watching and taking the time to ask for video topics. So if you have a topic that you want to see or a video idea that you want to see from me, ask it down in the comments below because those are the people I listen to. I'm gonna get my content ideas from those who are watching my videos, sitting down, engaging and asking, oh, I need this topic, I need this topic. Those are the people that I'm gonna create content for because those are the people that are engaging with me and taking the time to give me feedback. That's something that I really appreciate. So I'll go to my comment section and I'll scroll and see what kind of questions people are asking. So I've heard a lot of different things about posting Reels on your feed versus the Reels tab. People say it performs better when you post to the main feed. So that's a question people are asking. Instagram audits, people are asking that, which is why I started to tie in more Instagram audits to my page. How do you add pop-up text to your videos? That's an idea for Reels or TikTok, how to add the pop-up text. Who ships merch and how do you get paid? So that's a good topic as well. Could you teach us what exactly to post, such as about, product, service, people, etc., from scratch for a new business? So all of those questions are basically hearing directly from my audience what they need. And then of course, I'm also going to be tying in topics that I want to create. So my TikTok channel seems to be doing and performing really well when it comes to influencer topics specifically, like brand collaborations, negotiation, contracts, all that stuff. So I'll probably create an entire video series on that as well. So Hopefully this was fun for y'all. I had to do this anyway, so I thought I would vlog the entire process so y'all could see what this process is like. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments below. If you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Literally, what are you doing? I make these videos for free and subscribing is free. So click that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss when I post my videos, and I'll see you either Wednesday or Sunday in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Follow your joy. Bye.